Have you ever wondered which vacuum truly deserves the title of the best upright vacuum cleaner? With so many choices, it's tough to know which ones actually deliver. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 of the most recommended upright vacuums, giving you a clear picture of what each one can do for your home. Links to current prices are in the description box below. Let's begin with the Eureka QuickShift OmniVerse. As soon as you start using this vacuum, you notice how thoughtfully it has been designed to move with you. Its quick-shift steering makes it feel almost weightless as you glide around furniture and corners, giving you the sense that you're guiding a precision tool rather than wrestling with a household appliance. The anti-tangle brush roll is a standout feature, especially if you have long hair or pets, because you'll find that it keeps the cleaning head free from buildup, allowing suction to remain powerful and consistent. This is exactly the kind of feature you expect from a good upright vacuum. Another detail you'll appreciate is the versatility of the OmniVerse design. You can quickly switch from upright mode to lift-off mode, which transforms the vacuum into a portable unit for stairs, upholstery, or even car interiors. This adaptability means you're not limited to just floor cleaning. You can take the same strong suction to areas that are usually a hassle to reach. The dust cup is also generously sized, so you won't be stopping mid-clean to empty it constantly, making longer cleaning sessions feel seamless. It's one of the recommended upright vacuums for anyone who wants flexibility without losing power. The QuickShift OmniVerse also incorporates a washable filter system, which is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. You'll notice that the air feels fresher after vacuuming, a subtle but reassuring sign that the filtration is capturing fine dust and allergens. Combined with its lightweight build and ergonomic handle, this vacuum feels less like a chore and more like an efficient extension of your own movements. When you hear the motor kick in, you can expect a steady hum of power that translates into deep carpet cleaning and reliable hard floor pickup. It's not just about suction strength. It's about how evenly and effectively that suction is delivered. With the QuickShift OmniVerse, you'll feel in control, whether you're tackling a quick crumb spill in the kitchen or giving your entire home a thorough clean. It's easy to see why it stands out in many upright vacuum reviews. And while we're here, I'd love to know, do you prefer a bagged vacuum or a bagless one? Drop your answer in the comments so we can see which side wins out. Now, let's move on to the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum. Right away, you'll notice the difference of a bagged system. Instead of dealing with dust clouds when emptying, the Intuition's self-sealing bags lock everything away neatly, which is especially beneficial if you or anyone in your home suffers from allergies. You'll get that satisfying sense of cleanliness not just from the floors, but from the air around you. This is a good upright vacuum for anyone who values a truly hygienic cleaning routine. The lift-away canister design is another highlight. Imagine being able to unclip the canister and carry it with you as you vacuum stairs or tight corners. It gives you the reach and flexibility of a canister vacuum without sacrificing the upright format's convenience. The suction remains strong whether you're working on thick carpets or bare floors, so you never feel like you're compromising performance for portability. Kenmore also includes their HandyMate attachment, which you'll find incredibly useful for pet hair on furniture or even car seats. The brush is designed to dig into fabric and pull out embedded fur, leaving surfaces visibly cleaner and smoother to the touch. This makes the vacuum an excellent choice for pet owners who want more than just surface-level cleaning. It's no surprise that the Intuition often appears among best-rated upright vacuum cleaners for households with pets. Another subtle benefit is the way the Kenmore Intuition feels when you're using it. The handle is comfortable, the wheels roll smoothly, and the weight distribution is balanced, so you're not straining your arms or back during longer sessions. Combined with the sealed HEPA filtration system, you can expect not only cleaner floors, but also a home environment that feels fresher and healthier after every use. It's one of those recommended upright vacuums that blends practicality with comfort. Next, let's take a look at the Stratos AZ3002. This model is all about combining cutting-edge technology with practical, everyday cleaning. The first thing you'll notice is the Duo Clean PowerFin's Hair Pro system, which uses 2 brush rolls working together to pull in everything from fine dust to larger debris. As you push it across the floor, you'll feel it gripping the surface and leaving it polished as well as clean, especially on hard floors where it seems to buff away dullness. The Stratos also features Shark's odor neutralizer technology. As you vacuum, you'll notice a subtle freshness in the air, which is a pleasant change from the dusty smell some vacuums leave behind. This makes the experience more enjoyable and leaves your home feeling as though it's been refreshed, not just cleaned. It's a small touch, but it adds a sensory layer to the routine that you'll come to appreciate. Another major benefit is the self-cleaning brush roll. If you've ever had to stop mid-clean to cut tangled hair out of a vacuum, you'll immediately see the value here. The brush roll is designed to actively remove hair as it spins, so you can keep going without interruption. This means consistently powerful suction and a cleaning head that always looks ready for the next task. The Stratos AZ3002 also includes Shark's powered lift-away feature, which lets you detach the pod and carry it while still powering the floor nozzle. This is especially useful for under furniture or high-reach areas, giving you the freedom to clean in ways that a traditional upright couldn't manage. With its strong suction, advanced brush system, and thoughtful extras, you'll find that the Stratos doesn't just clean, it elevates the whole experience. It's easy to see why it often appears in lists of best-rated upright vacuum cleaners. By the way, which feature matters most to you in a vacuum? Suction power, maneuverability, or filtration? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see what you think. Moving on, we have the Dyson Ball Animal 3. Dyson is known for engineering precision, and you'll feel that immediately when you maneuver this vacuum. The iconic ball design gives you a sense of fluid movement, allowing you to pivot smoothly around furniture with just a twist of your wrist. It feels intuitive, almost like the vacuum is anticipating your next move, which makes cleaning less of a chore and more of a natural flow. The suction power of the Ball Animal 3 is formidable. You can expect it to dig deep into carpets, pulling up dirt and pet hair that you didn't even realize was there. On hard floors, it transitions effortlessly, maintaining powerful pickup without scattering debris. The cleaner head automatically adjusts to different floor types, so you don't have to stop and fiddle with settings. It simply adapts as you go. This adaptability is one of the reasons it's considered a best upright vacuum cleaner for multi-surface homes. Dyson also equips this model with whole machine HEPA filtration, which is fully sealed to ensure allergens and dust stay trapped inside. After using it, you'll notice the air feels cleaner, which is particularly reassuring if you have pets or allergies in the household. Emptying the bin is quick and hygienic, with a one-touch system that lets you release dirt without touching it. Another advantage is the range of tools included. The tangle-free turbine tool is especially effective for removing pet hair from upholstery, while the combination tool and stair tool give you flexibility across different surfaces. With the Dyson Ball Animal 3, you're not just vacuuming floors, you're equipped to handle every cleaning challenge in your home with precision and ease. It consistently stands out in upright vacuum reviews for its innovation and power. Finally, let's talk about the Shark POWERDETECT Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This model is designed with smart technology that senses the level of dirt on your floors and automatically adjusts suction power. As you move from one room to another, you'll feel the vacuum responding in real time, giving you exactly the right amount of power without wasting energy. It's a subtle but impressive feature that makes cleaning feel more efficient and tailored to your home. The POWERDETECT system works hand-in-hand with Shark's Duo Clean brush rolls, which are engineered to capture both fine dust and larger debris in a single pass. You'll notice how it leaves hard floors looking polished while also pulling deep dirt from carpets, giving you a sense of thoroughness that's hard to beat. The transition between surfaces is smooth, so you can move from kitchen tile to living room carpet without breaking stride. Another benefit is the self-cleaning brush roll, which actively removes hair as you clean. If you've ever struggled with tangled brush heads, you'll appreciate how this feature keeps the vacuum performing at its best without extra maintenance. It's one of those recommended upright vacuums that feels designed to make your life easier every step of the way. The Shark POWERDETECT also includes advanced filtration, capturing dust and allergens to leave the air in your home feeling fresher. Combined with its ergonomic design and powerful suction, you'll find that using this vacuum doesn't just clean your floors, it transforms the whole atmosphere of your space. It's a machine that feels as intelligent as it is powerful, and it rightfully earns its place among the best-rated upright vacuum cleaners. And if you've tried any of these vacuums before, share your experience in the comments, because it could really help someone else who's deciding which one to go for. So there you have it, 5 upright vacuums that each bring something different to the table. Whether you're after versatility, smart features, or sheer power, there's an option here that can transform the way you clean your home. Links to the current prices for each model are in the description box below, so be sure to check them out.